To activate Zelle in your Wells Fargo mobile app, you'll need to meet several requirements and follow a straightforward enrollment process. Let's walk through everything you need to get started. Before you begin, make sure you have an active Wells Fargo checking or savings account, a valid U.S. mobile phone number or email address, the latest Wells Fargo mobile app, your online banking credentials, and a government-issued ID for verification. Now let's go through the enrollment process step by step. The entire process has been streamlined and typically takes just a few minutes to complete. Step 1. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app and log in using your existing online banking credentials. Make sure you're using the most recent version of the app. Step 2. In the app, navigate to the Transfer and Pay section, then select Zelle. You'll see the Zelle Send Money option prominently displayed as shown here. Step 3. Carefully review and accept the Zelle Terms of Service as well as Wells Fargo's additional terms. This is required to proceed with enrollment. Step 4. Enter your mobile phone number or email address for Zelle enrollment. Choose whether you want to receive your verification code via SMS, text message, or email. Step 5. Complete the identity verification process by providing additional personal information as requested. This helps ensure the security of your account. Step 6. You'll receive a verification code via your chosen method. Enter this code within the 10-minute time limit to proceed with enrollment. Finally, confirm which Wells Fargo account you want to link with Zelle. Review all your enrollment information, set up any additional security preferences, and you'll receive confirmation that your Zelle enrollment is complete and ready to use. Congratulations! Your Zelle enrollment is now complete. Most enrollments finish within just a few minutes, and you're ready to start sending and receiving money securely through your Wells Fargo app. While most Zelle enrollments complete smoothly, some users may encounter issues or wonder about security measures. Understanding common troubleshooting steps and Wells Fargo security protocols will help ensure a successful enrollment experience. First, let's address the most common troubleshooting scenarios you might encounter during Zelle enrollment. If you experience delays receiving your verification code, this is usually due to network congestion. Codes may take up to 5 minutes to arrive, so be patient and check your connection. If your phone number was previously enrolled with Zelle at another bank, you'll need to contact Wells Fargo customer service to resolve this conflict and complete your enrollment. Some accounts may require additional verification that takes 1 to 3 business days. Occasionally, Wells Fargo may request additional documentation to complete the enrollment process. Now, let's examine the robust security measures Wells Fargo has implemented to protect your Zelle enrollment and transactions. Wells Fargo requires multi-factor authentication for all new Zelle enrollments, adding multiple layers of verification to protect your account from unauthorized access. Enhanced identity verification uses biometric data to confirm you are who you claim to be, making it extremely difficult for fraudsters to create fake accounts. Real-time fraud monitoring analyzes enrollment patterns and behaviors to detect and prevent suspicious activity as it happens. These enhanced security measures have produced impressive results in protecting Wells Fargo customers. These security enhancements have achieved a 52% reduction in fraudulent account enrollments, while simultaneously making legitimate enrollments 23% faster to process. Wells Fargo's comprehensive approach successfully balances robust security measures with a smooth user experience, ensuring your Zelle enrollment is both safe and efficient.